Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use Clockify for free. Whether you're a freelancer, student, remote worker, business owner, or project manager, Clockify offers a powerful set of free tools to help you track time and manage productivity without paying for a subscription. So let's get started. First, create a free Clockify account if you haven't already. You can sign up using your email address or one of the available sign-in options and then create your first workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Clockify dashboard. The main feature you'll see is the time tracker, which allows you to start and stop a timer while you work on tasks and projects. And that's how to use Clockify for free. By taking advantage of the timer, timesheets, projects, reports, and team features included in the free plan, you can effectively track your work and manage your time without spending anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.